How to fix WhatsApp audio overlapping issue in iPhone. So all you have to do is to make sure that your application is your phone is updated. Now, if you'll see an update button here, you'll see an update options there. Make sure to update your iOS there. Now, if it's still not working and there's still audio overlapping, then what you want to do next is to make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp application, right? Now, to do that, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on what device you have. And for iPhones, you can go to your app stores and just type there WhatsApp. Now, here on WhatsApp, if you'll see an update button here, right? Just wait for it. Now, if you'll see an update button here, you have to wait for it and wait for it to be updated. Tap on that and then wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I do not have any update button, which means my WhatsApp application is currently updated. Now, it's very important for you to update your application because you can actually encounter problems like this once you do not update your applications. Now, if it still doesn't work, then the next thing that I want you to do is to go here to your settings and go to your general here and go to iPhone storage. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to find WhatsApp there, here, and tap on offload application. So it will basically refresh your account. So maybe there's a bug. So if you refresh that, it can fix the problem, and tap on reinstall application here. And basically, that is how you fix WhatsApp audio overlapping issue in iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.